Assalamu alaikum viewers, I hope you're fine and doing well. Today we are going to discuss how can we place multiple markers on a Google Map. If you have followed my previous tutorial in which I have shown how can we place a single marker on a Google Map by a click of a mouse button, right? So in this tutorial there will be multiple markers on a Google Map. And in the previous tutorial I have created a function called place marker. If you have followed my previous tutorials, and it's here, okay, where I just pass a parameter location lat long, okay, and this format, the format should be this one, okay, it should be in this format. So in this tutorial I need to pass multiple lat long. For example, if you have a database in which there are locations, multiple locations, latitude and longitude, and you want um to place markers on a Google Maps, so it's very simple. Okay, you can do it. You will retrieve the data from the database. If you want to know how can you retrieve the data from the database, I have a series of tutorial on ASP.NET MVC. You can check that out. I have done it there. So here you can retrieve the data, for example, from the database, and then you will place the markers on a Google Map. So here, I have just commented this piece of code. Okay, look, I have created an array, okay, an empty array. Then there are different locations. Okay, I have just already wrote this code to, you know okay, so this is an array. I have this location lat long, okay, this is a variable. I have put it inside this variable, and then I pushed it into array. This lat long I pushed into this array. Then again, second one, which is different from this one, this location is different from this one. Look, 403, this is 3, this is some other location. I again pushed it inside this array. Then I have this one and pushed it inside this array. Again, another location, pushed it inside this array, okay. Then this one, and then pushed it inside this array. Then I need these locations. For example, you have, if you look it in the debugger mode, you will see inside this array you will find 1 2 3 4 5 lat long, 5 locations, okay, inside this array. So what you need to do, for example, I have done it like hard coded. If you get it from the database, you will need a for loop, okay. You need a for loop where I is equal to, we will start from 0 less than or equal to the length of this array, okay, and we need to loop through the length of this array, and it should go plus plus. It should be incremental, like it should start from 0 and then next 1 2 3 4 plus plus mean, and it should go up and to the this array, okay. So what we will do, if you see, I have created this place marker. What it does, this function, I have created this function. When we pass the location, what it does, it just uh, place that marker on a map, okay. It just place the marker on a map. We can do something like we can give it a title, dynamic title. So we will pass another title, for example, we will pass, and then we will put this title here, okay. On a click, when we do a click, we will pass here as well this, and we will go click title, okay. So whatever we pass through this function from here, it will be displayed along with the title on a tooltip. So we have this uh, function. If you remember, I created this piece of code which says if there is, the marker is not null, remove the marker, and then again place another marker, a new marker. What was the purpose of this code? because on a click we needed to remove the old marker, if you remember. Okay, so now we don't need to remove the old marker because we need multiple markers on a Google Map. Okay, so we will just comment this piece of code. You can comment from here as well, comment, or you can comment on KC, control KC, comment, control KU uncomment. Okay, so we have uh, this for loop, then we will pass this function. Okay, and this let long, but okay, as there are multiple let long, so sorry, it will be I. Why it will be I? Because for example, first it will be 0, so it will be the first let long, then it will be second, third, fourth. We have a loop, and here we will pass for example marker number, and we can pass I. Okay, so it will be the first marker, then second, third, fourth, fifth. We will, because it will start from 0, so we will do something like +1. Okay, so it will be 0 plus 1 1. Okay, so it should be like that. Okay, so it's a marker number. It's just for the sake of title, we have initialized the title here. Okay, so let's check it. How does it work? Again, we have this let long, pushed it into this array, and then why did it what was the reason behind doing all this code? For example, you can directly get a list from the database, and then you have to loop through that list like this. But what I did, I just pushed different location, and then I'm doing it this way. Okay, so let's check it. Okay guys, so the application is successfully run. Now we will go to the map, and we will say, look, we have these markers 1 2 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, so these are the multiple markers. If you look, it's marker number 31. It has given some random number to this marker. Actually it is not added with I plus 1. Okay, it's just in concatenated, so that's why it's, I needed just a different title for it anyway. So look, it's dynamic titles. You can have your own title from the database, you can pass through this. And why it's animated? Because I have this code here dot bounce. So we also have a click function. See, if we click, but the old one will not be removed like we did in the previous one. See, old one is there, and these are the from this list. So this was the way how can you show different location on a Google Map. Okay, in the next tutorial we will see how can we have some information on a click of this marker. Like we want to know, um, we have info window or bubble info. We will check that out. How can we get the information? How can we have a window, big window here, and see the information about a specific marker? Well guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments, and if you need the code, you can source code, you can um, email me or write in the comment. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos, and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification. Thank you guys.